السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Hello, Arabic learners. Hello, lovers of the Arabic language. As an Arabic teacher, I believe that to be able to build your own Arabic sentence and use it when you need it for any reason, you should learn first place. You need to, or you should learn grammar, and of course, after learning the alphabet. So this is one of my lessons today, lessons course. This is what I teach to my students who are willing to learn grammar. So this course is built as a puzzle. So all lessons are linked all together and they are set step by step to reach the main goal, which is how to build an Arabic sentence. So today I will share with you this first lesson, just to give you an idea from where you have to start. So the first lesson is the gender. So you need to know that all in Arabic all nouns are either masculine or feminine. So there is no it in Arabic. All nouns are referred to she or he, hiya or huwa. You will know that in the future lessons. So the following words, which are the basic vocabulary examples for each letter, they are divided into two lists here. So we have for masculine and feminine. Masculine, we call masculine in Arabic مذكر, and feminine مؤنث. So for example, here you have this example, a house means in Arabic means بيت. So بيت is masculine. Yeah, جمل, كتاب. So for feminine gender, you have to know them by, in general, the feminine gender has or have a stamp, which is تاء مربوطة. So wherever you see تاء مربوطة, this is it's without any doubt, this is feminine gender. So كعكة, لعبة, دراجة. So note that not all masculine nouns could be transferred to feminine gender, not all of them, but there are some Arabic noun which can be referred or transferred to feminine by adding the ta, or you can also add alif maqsura for certain words, except for we have here examples Selma, Huda. So look here, it's gender, it's feminine gender, but we need to add alif maqsura at the end. And we have another example, which is alif mamduda. You can have it as the end of any word or certain words like asma, hamra, fasulya. This is as well, they are feminine gender. So you should also know that there are many feminine names which have no feminine marks. So that was a very quick lesson just to have an idea. Now, if you are willing to start your journey, get in touch to book and discuss all the details. You are all welcome. Thank you.